It's John, and I'm in the middle of the polar vortex. But this 2019 Jetta SE is red hot. This test whip of the week is the 2019 Jetta SE. It's their red hot mid-size sedan. This is an attractive sedan, and boy, is this sucker fast. Plenty of cargo space in the Jetta. All leather interior in the Jetta, and plenty of legroom even with the front seats fully reclined. Simplistic, practical design in the interior cabin of the Jetta, and it has a good old sunroof. Push button start, main console for entertainment, heating and cooling, USB, and their drive options. Lights, interior lights, traditional dash and drive options on the steering wheel. Volkswagen Jetta. Pretty solid ride.